Hello everyone, today we're diving into a common struggle we've all faced, those pesky tangles. But fear not, because we're bringing you quick and effective tips to banish everyday tangles. Let's untangle the mystery together. Tangles happen to the best of us, but understanding why they occur is the first step to victory. Factors like dryness, friction, and even the weather can contribute to those knots. Now, let's tackle them head-on. Start with detangling. Pair Phamily hair care with wide-tooth comb for effortless detangling. It will help you to gently separate the strands without causing stress to your precious locks. Don't go into battle without a strategy. Divide and conquer. Work in sections, starting from the tips and gradually moving towards the roots. This makes the process smoother and less painful. Are you tired of waking up with a tangled mess on your head? Invest in a silk pillowcase. Unlike cotton, silk reduces friction, preventing tangles and keeping your hair smoother for longer. Dry hair is more prone to tangles. Keep your mane well moisturized with Phamily Hair Care's 100% natural formula. Nourished strands are less likely to rebel and form knots. Preventive maintenance is key. Regular trims keep split ends at bay, reducing the chances of tangles. Schedule hair trimming every 6 to 8 weeks. Adopt protective hairstyles. Braids, buns, or twists can safeguard your hair from daily wear and tear, minimizing tangles and promoting healthier strands. And there you have it, warriors against tangles. Armed with these tips and Phamily hair care by your side, you're ready to face each day with smooth, knot-free locks. Until our next hair adventure, happy hair care!